I'm Ken Heather. I'm the chair of the Provincial Technical Committee for Skills Canada, Alberta in the welding competition. We're having a two-day competition, both post-secondary and secondary competitors being apprentices and high school students that are going to show their skill in many different facets of the welding industry. And at the end of the day, we have judges come in and judge the projects and end up having winners going on to the national competition. Well, we have a try-a-trade here. We have 8 try-a-trade booths, so anyone can come in and try welding. It may be the very first time they've ever seen welding, and we find that's great exposure to the young children to say, this might be something that you'd be interested in. It's all basically of a standard of living. Without our trades and technologies, especially in this province, but beyond there, that if we don't have skilled workers, we're not going to have the products to export to allow us to have a standard of living that we have. Without the sponsorship of all the people that put money and time and product to this, 488 supplies us all with all the pipe and materials to do these competitions. Without that, competition doesn't happen. So always up to our suppliers and sponsors to provide everything we need.